Alright, what you're looking at is the Casio GD350 1B. B is for black, I believe. It's the negative display. Um, yeah, I'll tilt it up. You can see how it shines like in a, I guess, kind of a goldish way, which is nice. Usually the standard displays are has like the light gray black background with the black lettering. But they do make that model also. If you want the regular display, this one's considered the negative display. All right, let's go into all the details and the bullshit about this watch. Let's see, 200 meters water resistance, LED backlight like any other digital watch. It has a buzzer. Also has a vibrator instead of the how some of the digital watches they go off every hour and they beep. This one goes off. You can either have it beep or you can have it vibrate. Let's see what else. World time, 35 time zones, 100 different cities. Daylight savings time. The alarm has 5 alarms, I believe, and it has a one-time alarm, a snooze. Like I said, a flash alert, a vibration hourly alert. What else? What else? Countdown timer, hourly time signal. I said that already. Stopwatch. Let's see. What else? What else? Countdown start time setting range from 1 to 24 hours. Okay. All right. One of my favorite reasons why I got this is because of the battery life. This one actually lasts 5 years on a I believe it's a CR2032 battery, which is pretty good because a lot of these digital watches maybe have a 2-year lifespan, at least with most of the Casio watches. But this one's 5 years, which is a plus. All right, I'm gonna go through the. I'm gonna make you look around the look around the watch. Here it is up close. All right, let's back it up. It says G-Shock up there. This is the light. I'll turn it on in a minute once I dim the lights here. See buttons here. One here, one here. Let's turn it around. There's a button. It's supposed to be, I don't think it's metal. It's probably plastic, but looks like metal. I doubt if it's metal. There's another button here. Let's look at the back. G-Shock resist. Let that focus. Shock absorbing. And all that other crap. I think it's module 3403 if I'm correct. Yes. Alright, let's go through the straps. This has the 2-pin strap here, see? Alright. There you go. Let's turn it around. Alright. Alright, this here has I guess they call this wingtips, but they're more like I guess like a stabilizer and for better shock absorption, which is fine. Honestly, a lot of people can remove this. I just leave it on. It's comfortable, doesn't bother me, and you don't even see it anyway. So no reason to take it off, at least in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna start messing around with this. I'm pressing the buttons and see what they do. I honestly don't use all these functions. I don't use a stopwatch or anything. I just use it for the time and the light, and I like the hourly vibration alert. But let's go through it anyway. Alright, let's see. Let's press this here. Okay, this looks like the, let me get the glare out of the way. This looks like the world time. I believe you press this to toggle between it. Let's see, yes, there's Rome. Copenhagen, Berlin, Stockholm, Budapest. Oh, there's a lot of them. All right, I'm not going to go through all of them. You get the idea. Let's press this again. Okay, this is the alarm. That's the signal. Let's press this. What does that do? Nothing. All right, let's press this. Okay, that's signal on or off. We want the signal on. All right. I'm pressing this. Okay, this scrolls through the 5 different alarms. All right, that's the signal. There's alarm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Signal back to 1. Okay, let's press it again. This is the stopwatch. Let's get the glare out of the way. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Alright, there it goes. That stops it. And this, I believe, resets it back to 0. Okay. This is the timer. Alright. I pressed that. It looks like it starts at 60 minutes right away. Let's hit that. Stop that. Let's see if I press this. What's this say? Set hold. Okay, now I can set the length of the timer. I assume there's 1 hour. Alright. Alright. Never did this before. This is the first time for me. Alright, but we get the idea. Let's get out of this function. Alright. Okay, back to the main screen. I also believe if you press this button here, it has like, it's kind of like a shortcut to the timer. So if you press that, there you go. You see the timer is starting to count down. This is a good feature. They're supposed to say this is kind of like a special operations watch for the military, but I don't buy into that. It's just a standard Casio watch to me. Alright, this is what it looks like on my wrist. I'm going to sample it for you. Alright, turn it to the side. That's how much it sticks out. There's the back. And there you go. We get close. I do like Casio watches. This one's my favorite. I do have another one. I used to be a big watch collector and buy these expensive watches. I do have a tag, but honestly, this is why I wear it to work every day. It's light, it's convenient, it tells me the time. I have a smartphone now that tells me the time anyway, so this is more durable to me. So this is what I wear every day, to work, to gym, to home, anything. I guess it's funny. I used to love Casios as a kid. I used to have the old calculator one. Now I'm back to Casios again. And saves me money too. Now that I have kids, I can't afford these expensive watches anymore anyway, so I had to give that one up. Alright, I have up the model. That's the standard display, not the negative. Like I said, it has the gray black background with the black lettering if you guys prefer that. Usually the negative displays have has a hard time reading it, but this one actually doesn't. Out of all the negative displays I own, this one does not. It does not give me a hard time to read. So there you go. That's the regular one. All right, you can't see anything now, but I'm going to press the button now. There you go. I'll press it again because I have it set on the lowest setting, I believe, for the length time-wise. Alright, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm not going to go into detail about this. It's just a watch. How much can you review a watch? But one thing I left out is the size. It has a 51 millimeter diameter, and also it has a auto light, which means when you put it on your wrist, if you tilt it, like if you aim it like you're looking at your watch, the light will turn automatically. I don't like using that. I believe it drains the battery because my wrist is constantly moving at work, so it did flicker on a lot. So I suggest don't use it. Well, anyway, that's it. Like I said, I'm not going to go into detail. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and hit subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.